Mesdames et messieurs, ladies and gentlemen, meine Damen und Herren.
Italijanska Toskana miriše ukusom prošlosti. To je zemlja Dantea i Michelangela, zemlja krivog tornja i neodoljivog vina, brzih konja i uspešnih džokeja. I u tome je toskanska istina.
I want to ride in the race and in Italy no have this opportunity because for strange question in Italy every jockey have a manager and for ride necessary you go with the manager, oh you is the best, you know I don't like this. The trainer I like Cristianesi, okay Cristianesi ride for me, you know. I ride my first horses. I have 6 years with my father, my brother, with every family.
Sa 16 godina takmiči se prvi put. Jahao je grlo Sharp Island i u svojoj Pizi stigao drugi. Danas ima 27 leta, stotinak pobjeda iza i srpske hipodrome pred sobom.
When owner Italy is coming to Newmarket for the Tatter solo on the breeders, he pay one yearling for 60,000 euro and the people in Serbia I think know this opportunity. Or have this opportunity but the race in Serbia is no have too much money for pay one yearly 60,000 euro. I'm staying in Spain for 2 years, in 1 year and a half in Madrid and half year in Malaga. Malaga is a good place. I win 30 races in Spain and when I'm staying in Spain I come and ride in French. One time in Longchamp and one time in Bordeaux. Longchamp is very good track, it's unbelievable. When you stay with the horses in this track is fantastic.
Postoji ipak jedno ime koje se izgovara sa retko viđenim poštovanjem. Ime Lanfranca Dettoria.
It's Jesus because he's Italian and he's a very good jockey. He win every Group 1 in the world. He's the champion. He's autograph, you know? Yeah, with the picture with him.
Ljubomorno čuva i sliku svoga kraja, od koga je lepši, kako reče, možda samo raj.
It's a good place Toscana for the tourists, for the beach, it's good life in the night. It's a good place for food, for the wine. Yes, for the gold, but in Serbia it's better. Have anything. What I want, I'm have. Is good for me because I think one Serbian people is come to Italy is different. Who is this, you know? And for me, Italian go to Serbia only have good people. Sinisha Dudic is the trainer. Is a good person. Vlad Antilop is the owner. Is a very good person. And Dure Pajic, another trainer. I work for him, and he's very good person. Help me in every situation. Yeah, I smile every time. I'm a happy person. In the morning when I'm riding, I'm singing. Every people is watching me because I think I'm stupid, but I'm a happy person. Scorpion is a bad character. Strong, it's very strong Scorpion, but I like Scorpion. I'm stay here just 2 weeks. I have a little problem with the language, but have the time for this. Tempo libero, I'm stay in the stable every day, but when I'm going in the center Shabbos, just for look, for shopping, for see the place, is a good place Shabbos. Little, but it's nice place. My life is only with the horses, nothing more. And I like riding. Unbelievable this animal, it's super. Cavalli in pista, nice, you is correct. Cavalli in pista, is the horse run again.
30 puta slavio je u Milanu, a najdraža pobjeda zbila se u nadmetanju Handicap Limitato sa nagradnim kolačem od 20.000 eura. Onda je usledila Španija, pa Francuska, Češka, sada Srbija. Gde god bio, jedno ostaje isto, osmeh koji ne silazi sa lica. To je Kristijan Njezi.